The investigators are seeking to remand her to be able to conclude the investigations, more specifically to allow for a postmortem to be done. There are certain samples that are being forwarded to the government analyst.
The respondent already disclosed it in the statement that he wrote at the DCI that indeed they were intimate. They were very close friends. And paragraph 9 should not be interpreted in any way as a reason for further detention of the respondent. This affidavit shows no basis for that averment. And if there were any basis at all, then the investigation pertaining it has already been conducted.